Up till now, we have seen that what is meant by JIT, then what are the types of JIT, what is the relation between what is the relation of lean production and JIT. Then uh, again we will see the concept of JIT. Then we have seen the objective of the JIT. Then after objective of this JIT we have seen. After that we have seen regarding the JIT manufacturing and JIT purchasing. Then we have seen the elements of JIT manufacturing system, benefits of JIT we have seen, and what are the different tools which are going or and techniques we have to implement for the JIT manufacturing in the any organization. We have seen this. Now after installation, after JIT is installed in the organization, what is the effect of installation of JIT system on the organization and on the total different number of components of the organization. One component is layout and equipment, another component is worker, and third one is the supplier. If we implement the JIT, then automatically if you see the on the layout and equipment, the installation of a JIT system has a natural effect on layout and equipment. The plant evolves towards more streamlined flow and automated plant because lot sizes are reduced and problems are constantly resolved by making automation possible. By making automation possible, then there will be a effect on our workers also. JIT system need multifunctional workers. Automatically, if when the worker is multifunctional, he can be able to set up machines, do routine maintenance and inspect the parts. So that will help to provide new pay schemes. That means by giving the organization can give workers promotions and increments on the basis of different job they can perform. And also this will as soon as the organization gives the promotions and increments, this encourages the worker to learn more skills and become more flexible and become more multi-skilled. Third one is effect on supplier. As JIT suggests that we are going to concentrate on limited vendors. So with the help of JIT system, single source suppliers are encouraged and long-term relationship with him can be established, so that quality products will be delivered to the organization. As JIT suggests that you have to, there will be no inspection and you have to upload the there will be avoiding of inspection, and we are going to upload the component directly on the assembly line, so that automatically when we are concentrating on the single source of supplier, he can give a quality products. Integrated supply program should be established, the feature of which include early supplier selection, family of parts sourcing, long-term relationship, cost-based price negotiation, and paperwork reduction in receiving and inspection. When we have to implement the JIT, what should be our approach to implement JIT in any organization? First, basic thing is that obtain commitment from top management for providing leadership to adopt JIT approach and prepare plan with the help of cross-functional teams. B. Gain the cooperation of workforce, guaranteed stable employment, engaging workers in training and participation will help. Cross training and small group activities should be initiated for workers participation. C. Start implementation of JIT system with final assembly line first. Reduce setup time and small batches should be encouraged. Use standard containers. D. Work backwards from final assembly. Reduce setup times and lot sizes in fabrication areas. E. Balance fabrication rates with final production rates. Correct capacity shortfall to facilitate balancing. F is extend JIT to suppliers. First, stabilize supplier delivery schedules. Change your to frequent deliveries. Help suppliers with quality assurance to meet your specifications. And negotiate long-term contract with the supplier. Now these are the approach we have seen. Now what are the problems for implementing this JIT? One is JIT is applicable repetitive production situation involving standard products. It requires frequent setups, shipments and receipts. It may not work in custom built and project type situation. Second one is JIT demands discipline. The production system must operate correctly and employee must do their job right. As per the SOP, organization has to or worker has to work, which is somewhat critical part. Third one is JIT is based in cooperation and trust between people, workers, managers, and suppliers and customers. In environment of suspicion, distrust, and competition, it will not work. Next one is the concept of JIT must be understood fully in the same meaning by all concerned and then attempt implementation. Implementing JIT is often very expensive when training, preventive maintenance, and consulting costs are factored in, but long-term gains must not be ignored. Next one is implementation of JIT must be balanced. Cutting inventory beyond a certain point may cause more harm than good. JIT environment often place additional stresses on shop floor workers. So, to avoiding these are the factors, whatever we have seen are the factors for or factors which opposes for implementing the JIT. So, for implementing this, there must be planning. Proper planning must be there for a successful JIT system. One, make sure that the top management is committed. They should be involved in the process and must know the cost, time, and expected results. Second one, study the operations carefully and decide which parts will be needed in terms of most effort to convert. Third one, obtain the support and cooperation of workers, train them in setup, equipment maintenance, multiple tasks, cooperation, problem solving, etc. ट्रेनिंग देना है, वर्कर के लिए ट्रेनिंग देना है, नए नए मल्टी स्किल करने के लिए उनको नए नए ट्रेनिंग देना है, उनको मेंटेनेंस के बारे में सिखाना है और उनकी तरफ से कोऑपरेशन और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के थ्रू प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करके देना है. Begin by reducing setup times, maintaining current systems, enlist aid of workers for identifying and eliminating existing problems. Quality circles suggests that you have to implement the quality circles. Gradually convert operations beginning at the end of the process and working backwards. जो मतलब जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि भाई हम लोग पहले फाइनल असेंबली के ऊपर पहले टारगेट करेंगे और फिर उसके बाद पीछे पीछे जाते जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज कन्वर्ट सप्लायर्स टू जिट. जो सप्लायर्स है उनको भी जिट को कन्वर्ट करना है. एंड वर्क क्लोजली विद देम. रिड्यूस द लिस्ट. आइडेंटिफाई दोज हु आर विलिंग फॉर जिट. एस्टेब्लिश लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटमेंट विथ वेंडर्स. जसे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, ऑब्स्टॅकल्स पण का बरेच असणार आहे. Management may not be fully committed. Management may resist because JIT shifts some responsibility from management to workers. काही responsibility management कडनं worker कडे. Suppliers may resist due to buyers may not be willing to commit resources. Avoid long-term commitments. Frequent and small deliveries may be difficult. Quality becomes suppliers' responsibility. Frequent engineering changes. इसके ड्यू टू दिस रीजन supplier resist for the JIT. Now we have seen JIT in purchasing, JIT in manufacturing. Now we will see JIT in services also. Consistency, high quality service. Employees can be taught the value of providing defect-free services. Uniform facility loads, reservation system or differential pricing are two ways in which service providers can level the load on their facilities. Standardize the work method in highly repetitive service operations. High efficiencies can be achieved by analyzing work methods and standardizing improvements of all employees to use. Closer supply ties. Close supplier ties. Volume services require close supplier contacts to ensure frequent short lead time and high quality shipments. Next one is flexible workforce. The more customized the work service, the greater is the need for multi-skilled workforce. Automation can play a big role in providing JIT services like ATMs. Seventh one, preventive maintenance. Services that are dependent on machines can be ensured regularly preventive maintenance. Pull method of material flow. Service operations where tangible items are processed can utilize pull method. Line flow strategy. Managers can recognize their employees' equipment to provide uniform flow through the system and eliminate employees' waste time. Implementation of JIT services. While that implementation, eliminate disruptions in work of employees, makes the service system flexible, train workers so that they can handle more variety, reduce setup times, have frequently used tools and spare parts ready, eliminate waste, that this includes errors and duplicate work, minimize WIP. Examples include orders waiting to be processed, calls waiting to be answered, trucks waiting to be loaded. Simplify the process, especially when the customers are part of system, retail operations, ATMs and vending machines and service stations. Strategic implication of JIT system. JIT system form an integral part of corporate strategies, emphasizing time-based competition, focusing on cycle time reduction, improving inventory turnover, and increasing labor productivity. Competitive productivity, low cost, consistent quality, and ability to provide variety are the essence of JIT. Flow strategy. A JIT system involves line flow strategy to achieve high volume, low cost production. Workers and machines are engaged around the product flow. Reduce space requirement, reduced inventory investment in purchased parts, raw materials, WIP and finished goods, reduce manufacturing lead times, increase the productivity of direct labor employees, indirect supports employees and clerical staff, increase equipment utilization, reduce paperwork and require only simple planning system, set valid priorities for production scheduling, encourage participation of workers and increase the product quality. Beyond it to time based competition. Time based competition demands that companies compete on time as well as on quality, cost, and flexibility. Can be done in following ways: through faster introduction of new products, through faster throughput of existing product. Time based competition is state of mind and new way of thinking about competing. It also broadens the concept of new product introduction and JIT outside the factory context into the white collar areas of manufacturing and service industries. Okay, thank you. This is regarding the JIT. Tomorrow I will send the notes over this JIT, so you can go with this PPT and you can read the notes, which will be helpful for to you for for the purpose of understanding the JIT. I will search video if it is better or any video is better. I can share with you so that you can understand in a better manner also. Thank you.